Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows 11 Boot Manager missing or no boot device error. First, restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Once you are in the BIOS, go to the boot menu. Check that Windows Boot Manager or your main SSD or hard drive is set as the first boot option. If another device is listed first, change the boot order so your system drive is at the top. While you are there, also check that UEFI mode is enabled if Windows was installed on a GPT formatted drive. After making any changes, press F10 to save and exit, then let the computer restart. If the error still appears, there may be a hardware connection issue. Turn off the computer completely and unplug the power cable. For desktop computers and older laptops, open the case and carefully disconnect and reconnect the SATA data and power cables attached to your SSD or hard drive. If your computer uses an NVMe SSD, remove the screw, take out the drive, and firmly place it back into the slot. After reconnecting everything, turn the computer back on and check if Windows starts normally. If none of these solutions work, the storage drive or another hardware component may be faulty and could require repair or replacement. Thanks for watching.